Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is integrations 0 to infinity 0 to infinity e to the power minus mu x incomplete gamma functions gamma nu x square by 8 square dx. So friends, this is the incomplete. So how can you solve? So incomplete function, at first I write 0 to infinity e to the power minus mu x 0 to x square by 8 square t to the power gamma minus 1 and e to the power minus t dt and into dx, and 0 to infinity. So just changing the order, changing, okay, integration order changing. So how can we change order changing is very simple. That suppose this is t, this in here it is x and it is t. Okay, this is my graph, and t equals to x square by 8 square. So t equals to 8 is x square divided by 8 square. So if I putting, so it is, you see is that t equals to 0, t equals to 0 to this, it is. Now if I will write x is equal to 2 root 2 a root t, so then it is this way. So I just change the limit of the integrations. So it is 0 to infinity t to the power gamma minus 1 and e to the power minus t and 0 to a root over t infinity e to the power minus mu x dx into dt. So just e to the power minus mu x integration dx equal to 1 by mu minus mu e to the power minus mu x. So just and 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 write the, putting the limit, upper limit and lower limit. So whatever I get 1 by mu 0 to infinity t to the power gamma minus 1 e to the power minus t minus 2 a mu dt divided by x square by 2. So 1 by mu I can write, and it is 2 to the power minus gamma minus 1. It can be written, and 0 to infinity x to the power 2 nu minus 1 minus half and minus half e to the power minus x square into dx. Now friends, you have to know, we know that the White-Taker functions, okay? We know note u a comma z equals to, this is the White-Taker functions, friends. White-Taker function, so e to the power minus z square by 4 divided by gamma a plus half 0 to infinity t to the power a minus half e to the power minus half so if we follow this equation, now I can write this equation can be written as omega. So omega equals to 1 by mu 2 to the power gamma 2 mu e to the power a mu whole square. 2 mu minus half and 2 so friends, we need to know that cylindrical parabolic functions d2 mu so 2 nu comma z equals to equals to u 2 nu minus half comma z. So friends, if you will check, z is equals to, in here z equals to 2a mu. So my omega equals to 2 to the power gamma minus 1 gamma 2 gamma and e to the power so This is my answer and it's proved. Okay, this is my answer. Thanks for watching.